Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel a Calendly event. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Calendly, if you already don't have an account. After that guys, what you need to do is go and, if you don't know how to do it, go to our YouTube channel to check it out. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button, we have the schedule events, upgrade plan, and the admin center. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a Calendly event. So guys, first of all, what you actually need to do and go is go to the events. So here we have the event types, but you just need to go to and click on the left side of the screen out of all of these options. You just need to go and click on the schedule events. Here guys, you will have, as you can see, you have your upcoming events, pending events, past events, and the date range of the events. At the moment, as you can see, I don't have any here. So guys, basically what you need to do guys is go and here put an event so that you will have it here. At the moment, I don't have any, so no events yet. Share event type, link to schedule events, and visit event types. But guys, what you need to do when you have an event here, just go and delete it here. So you can cancel it, here. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and that will be everything. Bye guys.